Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the conflict between Israel and Palestine, specifically focusing on the weapons used in this ongoing struggle. The region has seen a stark difference in military capabilities, and we'll explore the hardware used by both sides. Stick around to learn more. To understand the situation better, let's first look at how Hamas gets its weapons in Gaza. As the Gaza Strip is surrounded by Israel and shares a border with Egypt, arms smugglers have come up with ingenious ways to supply Hamas. Smugglers use the Mediterranean Sea to drop weapons on the shore, despite the Israeli Navy's control. But that's not all. Tunnels connecting Gaza to Egypt serve as an alternative route for weapons delivery. The tunnel network enables the transfer of rockets like the Fajr 3, Fajr 5, and M302 rockets from Iran and Syria. These rockets, supplied by Iran and reportedly by Hezbollah, have varying ranges and capabilities. The Fajr 5, for instance, poses a significant threat to Israeli cities. Iran has been a significant supporter of Hamas, though it denies direct involvement in the conflict. The U.S. State Department stated that Hamas receives training, funding, and weapons from Iran, with reports suggesting that 70% of Hamas's funding comes from Iran. Additionally, there are reports of U.S.-built weapons left behind in Afghanistan being used by Hamas. The Taliban's control of these weapons stockpiles has raised concerns about their potential use in the conflict. Now let's take a look at Israel's military capabilities. Israel has a more conventional military comparable to Western nations. They rely on tanks, armored vehicles, and cutting-edge technology. The Merkava tank is a formidable asset with heavy front armor and advanced weaponry. Their air force boasts Kfir fighter jets, and they make frequent use of drones for intelligence and surveillance. On the other side, Hamas operates as a well-armed guerrilla organization. They lack armored vehicles, opting for mobile platforms like Land Rover Discoveries fitted with heavy machine guns. Hamas has also developed an extensive rocket arsenal, including Iranian-made Fateh 110 missiles and anti-tank weapons. The conflict between Israel and Hamas is asymmetric, with a stark contrast in military capabilities. Israel's military is well-equipped, while Hamas relies on guerrilla tactics and rocket attacks. The consequences of this conflict are deadly. The use of rockets by Palestinian groups and Israel's response have led to casualties, primarily among the Palestinian population, given the densely populated Gaza Strip. Israel employs the Iron Dome missile defense system to protect its civilian population from rocket attacks. While this system has been successful in reducing casualties, the situation remains tense. So, what does the future hold for this ongoing conflict? Will the cycle of violence continue? Stick around as we keep you updated on the latest developments in this complex and volatile situation. Let's look out weapons using by both countries in this war. Israel